Hello, good evening. My name is Young Barnabas Akolache. I teach English in Japan. Today we are looking at 7 ways to pronounce the letter A. The letter A. 7 ways to pronounce the letter A. So we are going to remember these 7 ways. That means that we are going to use 7 words to help us to pronounce the letter A. So it means that the letter A can be pronounced in different way, in diverse way, in many ways. So let's look at this sentence. So use this sentence to remember. Use this sentence to remember. Let's look at the sentence. Let's have a look at the sentence. That's our sentence. So the sentence goes like this. The sentence goes like this. Jack, I think I have to stand up. Sorry. This is a standing lesson. Jack was about to share his private yacht with his football coach when he received a cable informing him that the engine needed repair. One more time, let's read one more time. Jack was about to share his private yacht with his football coach when he received a cable informing him that the engine needed repair. So these are the 7 words we are going to use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to remember the various ways we can pronounce the letter A. The letter A. So these are the examples. These are the examples. So number 1, we have the word Jack. Jack. So this is the spelling, or these are the spelling. Our left hand side are the spellings, and our right hand side are the spelling of the sound. So we have the first one, Jack. J, A, K, Jack, Jack. And here we see that our letter A, let me underline that. Our letter A is pronounced as A, A, A. So that's our letter A. So A can be pronounced in a word as A. Let's look at the second one. The second one we have yacht. Let's look at the letter A. The letter A in the word yacht is pronounced here as O. O. So yacht has 2 pronunciations. We call it variant or alternative pronunciation. The first one is, this one is yacht, and the second one is yacht. So you can say yacht or yacht. So here the sound of A is O, and over there the sound of A is A. O, A, O, A, written over there. O, A, O, A. So A can be pronounced as O. It can also be pronounced as A. Very good. Our third word is about. About. Our letter A in about is pronounced as O. About. 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 And we have the sound O. And this sound is known as the schwa sound. It's known as the schwa sound, the schwa A, which is pronounced the schwa A, which is pronounced as O. O. So we have the word about. Let's go to the rest of the words or the examples. So here we have football. 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 Where is our A? Our A is in the ball. Ball. You see, ball, or ball, ball, football. Here our letter A makes the sound or, or. Ask an example, walk, talk. So we have this next one. The next one is cable, cable, cable. Our letter A here in the word cable make the sound the A sound, which is also known as the long A. The long A. Long A. Long A or long vowel A. Long vowel A. LVA. Long vowel A. So cable, cable. We have our A sound over there. A. Then we have the share. Share. So here our letter A in the word share makes the sound air. This sound, air sound. It makes the air sound. Air. For example, words are as follows: here, fear, dear. You can hear the ear sound. Fear, the ear, dear. And we can get these examples, or we can have these examples as an air sound. Or you can also say airports. So our letter A here makes the air sound. Air. Then we have the private. Our letter A is here. So our letter A over here makes three distinct sounds. The I, the schwa, which is known as the and the E. E, E. So these three sounds can be produced with this spelling. We can pronounce this word as private, and private. So three sounds here: private. So our letter A produces three sounds here: A, E. Let's move on. The next one is we are giving some exercises in which we have to do. So if we look at this word, we have exact, father, and arm. So you can try to do this at home to see what kind of sound does the letter A make in the following words. What kind of sound does the letter A make in the following word? Exact, father, arms. So you can check it. This is an exercise for you. See you. Bye.